Fernando Rolnik. Fernando, I can see that you're just showing here Azure Container Instance now fully integrated with Docker Desktop. Can you show that for us?
Sure, George. How's it going, mate? Long time we don't record together. So today I have a new thing on Azure that developers will love. Now you can run your Docker containers directly on the cloud on Azure using your CLI. The same way you do your Docker run, your local machine, you type Docker run and you get your container running on cloud. It will be easy. So I'll show you. Are you curious, Georgie?
Yes, very curious. I think it would be nice to have that.
So it will be quick, right? First thing, you need to have the latest Edge version
Can you
from.
increase the font a little bit?
Oh, sure. I'll increase here.
That's
You
great.
need. So you have here the. This is the version 19.03.12. It has an Azure integration. This is new thing, right? So first step, you need to do Docker login Azure. When you do that, it will open your browser. It will ask you to log in. And now the login is succeeded. The next step, you need to create a context, but use Docker context create ACI, and I'll call Azure is our website here. It will ask you to choose your resource group. I created one here, Azure ACI. ACI is for Azure Container Instance. Now it's all good. I need to.
Fernando, just for me to understand, now Docker can log in on Azure, then you can create a context that connects your Docker CLI with Azure subscription
Yes,
on that resource group, and means that everything that you run now runs on Azure?
yes, but you need to select the context. Look here. I
Yep.
did a Docker context list. I have here my default. This is running on the Mobi on my local machine. I have this option here, orchestrator, type orchestrator ACI. When I choose this context, everything will run on Azure. So I use Docker context, use as Azure tar. If I list again, everything I run here will run in Azure. Let's test it. So I run example container here. We need to wait. Before that, it's start to run here. I don't have containers running on the source group. The container is being deployed right now. We need to wait a little bit. And I'm using the same Docker run commands, -p to publish on the port 8. You run in your desktop. It's creating. At any time you can see the container running here. It's not yet, but while it's deploying, if I do on Docker, it's from my test, Docker PS,
Yep.
and it's running on this IP address. Let's wait a little bit to see if I can see here the container. The container is here on my Azure portal. And if I go to this IP address, we have here the container is running
That's
like
nice.
1 minute. So the developers will love to do it. Now the container is running here.
You can see the logs.
Yeah, you can see everything. You can see here like.
And Fernando, if you don't know what Azure Container Instance is, it's pretty much like you can run the container as like a serverless container. And as I can see, you can create multiple contexts now with Docker Desktop, and you can even, run different applications or It's very easy, very simple. And if you just don't know Docker, you don't have to learn anything else. Just
And
keep it doing Docker run.
you are ready to go to the cloud. You need no extra knowledge. Just publish your apps directly in the cloud. So is it. If you
That's
have
great,
any
Fernando.
question, ask us on Twitter at Fernando Rolnik or at Azure. All good.
Yeah, subscribe for the channel and see you guys next time. Thank you,
See
Fernando.
you guys. Thank you, George.
Bye-bye.